Hey you guys, so what I'm gonna be doing is basically reviewing everything from my portfolio. So this is what it's looking like. You can see we have a lot of dividends coming in, which is like a good thing. We all love a good dividend month, and I think this is one of my heavier months. And forgive the my emoji face. I'm darker than this, just so you're aware. So yeah, so this is what my portfolio is looking like. This is how many shares that I have currently. Um, this is an overview of everything. What I like to look at is the bottom, where it says that my estimated annual in dividend income is $44.77. And we're gonna make a couple of buys so that can go up, and I'll show you that afterwards. Now, I'm only going to be doing, how many did I do? I think I think it was 2 or 3, not that many stocks, because not a lot of them were looking good. So I'm going to show you also how I look at my stock picks to buy them. I pretty much do dollar cost averaging, but on like the cheapest one if possible. So here's realty income. I look at it by month. So far it's really high, but as you can see overall it's pretty low. It's a low point for this year. And then over a 5 year, this is one of the lowest points that have been. So to me, that's like, hey, I need to buy. As you can see, back in 2020 is when it was like around 40, and then currently like it's around like 50 something, 53.85. So to me, that's a buy. So we're gonna get some realty income. And then also, I think I'm going to do today, I think it was Home Depot, and I took a look at SCHD. So yeah, so what I'll do here, let me see. So realty income is just showing for the day. What I do is I use Fidelity, by the way. So I switch it from shares, and then I click dollars, and then I of course type in how much I want, and it'll show you at the bottom how much you get. So I'm going to get 0.464 shares of realty income. So once I go ahead and review everything, I place my order, and then boom, simple as that. I just bought some stock in realty income. As simple as that. So as you can see, it only charged me a penny in fees. So that's good. That's really good. A penny in fees. And then the next one, so it's going to be SCHD. I purchased, let's see, $10, and $10 is going to get me 0.138 shares of SCHD. I really love SCHD. It's an ETF, so it's like a compilation of different stocks. So as you can see, like pretty swifty, everything's just happening so fast. With SCHD, they only charged me 7 cents. So that's good. So 7 cents in fees. And then the next one, it's Home Depot. I'm just looking at, the date. I'm looking at the 5-day, the 1 month, the 1 year. And as you can see, it's pretty stable for the 1 year. So I went ahead and I purchased some shares. So of course, dollars, I'm going to get $15 worth. And $15 gives me 0.048 shares of Home Depot. Now, in this video, I did buy Bitcoin. Or was it Ethereum? I think it was Ethereum. We shall see. But anyways, Home Depot, they only charged me 3 cents in fees. So really good there. Some really strong buys. I believe that the market is going to do like a pretty strong rebound. Recently we just heard, and by the way, this is a bit old, it's like 2 weeks old. I know I'm late, but the Fed, they're supposed to be cutting interest rates, and if they do that, I feel like they're going to do like some sort of buyouts with the bonds and all of that, and it's going to just flood like the regular stock market. So now as you can see, I went up a little bit. So now I'm at $46.95 yearly that I should be getting in dividend payouts. And the ones that are highlighted in yellow, those are the buys that I just got. So yeah. Okay, so on this one, it looks like, okay, so I bought Ethereum. So it's 20 bucks worth of Ethereum. Bitcoin at the time, I thought it was trending a little bit higher. So it's okay if it's trending higher. I know Bitcoin, it's like super volatile right now. It's at like 43,000 as of today, December 15th. So I know this is late, but hey, I have to go over it. So buying, Ethereum or Bitcoin on Fidelity is fairly simple, but to me, I prefer to actually get it through Cash App because you can get it like closer to real time. I think Fidelity, they might be like some hours or like a lot of hours out of the way. So to me, it's just better to buy it on other exchanges. I'm only gonna ever like buy a little bit on Fidelity, but just other than that, that's exactly how I do it. So bi-weekly, $50, and I'm gonna have to put in $50 today. I'll do an update on that, and I'll come to you guys with that video. I'll see you in the next one.